Okay, so bringing it up to the end of the day, we have three as one. We have a team together. How has it been?
Absolutely amazing.
Really emotional.
And really magical and very powerful as well. We loved it, didn't we?
We did. It was lovely
Yeah.
meeting everyone
Yes.
as well. We especially like the swimming in the river.
Yeah.
Weather was good, people good, food was
Can't fault it.
Amazing.
Can't
Yeah.
fault it in
I
don't
any
want to go
way.
home. No, it was spot on. Yeah, really
Exactly
good.
how
Yeah.
it's.
And if you had to summarize the retreat in one sentence, how would you summarize?
It was really, I loved it because it was all about nature. Even though we were in there, we still had the doors open and we did that meditation. That's more than a sentence, sorry.
That's what I was just going to say, actually.
So we loved the river, we loved the walk.
That's 5 sentences.
meditation.
2 paragraphs. It's okay.
All right,
No,
you go.
and I think it just brought everyone together, and it was powerful.
And I think it was just extremely emotional. It gave you that opportunity to reflect and to release emotions that you weren't aware that they were there.
That's when you know it's working, don't you?
Yeah.
Just looking at everyone, I think that was it, when we were all in the circle and we looked at people.
And just looking at eye contact with people made you realise how little we actually look at people in the eye.
Yeah, exactly. That's
incredible.
amazing,
So really lovely. Thank
So happy
you.
to have you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.